Hello children, good morning all. Today we are going to learn how to make flying bird using color paper. So children, here are the requirements. Okay. Take a square shaped paper and marker. Okay. Take a square shaped color paper and hold like this. Okay. And fold it at the center. Next, take the above layer and fold it like this. Take the next layer and fold it in the same way. Now fold it at the center. This is center. Okay. Fold it at the center. Next, fold to make a crease and fold back. Okay children. Next, fold at the corner to make its beak. This is corner. Okay. Now, draw its eye using marker. So children, here is our flying bird. Do this activity in your home with your parents' help. Till then,